Hello and welcome to NDTV's special segment Dynamic Maharashtra. Today we take a closer look at the latest moves by the Maharashtra government, decisions and initiatives shaping public welfare and also driving the state's growth. Let's get started with our first story. The Maharashtra government is taking major steps to make administration smarter and more efficient using AI and advanced technology. A review meeting of the state's e-governance campaign was held at Sahyadri Guest House in Mumbai, chaired by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Officials discussed key initiatives including e-governance services, the Aaple Sarkar portal, e-office dashboards, new initiatives, website updates and disaster management. He said using modern technology and AI will ease workloads and make governance more effective. Noting that the southern states are already leveraging technology in administration, he said Maharashtra is keeping pace. He also emphasized that continuous innovation is essential to maintain his lead. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also instructed the Forest Department to submit a roadmap within 3 months to develop 33% of forest area over the next 4 years. He also directed special efforts to increase forest cover in areas with low greenery, particularly Marathwada. A key meeting was also held to review urban infrastructure and civic projects chaired by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis under the Maharashtra Urban Infrastructure Fund. The session focused on long-term planning for cities. The Chief Minister instructed that all projects be designed keeping the next 50 years in mind. Special attention was also given to services like sewage, drainage, solid waste management and also water supply with a focus on effective resource planning. He also stressed the importance of preparing an integrated blueprint, a long-term strategy and also proper utilization of funds to ensure sustainable urban development. A significant meeting was held under the leadership of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar to plan the comprehensive development of 32 newly added villages in Pune Municipal Corporation. Now, the meeting focused on key priorities such as water supply, widening of roads, constructing bridges and also developing drainage networks. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar said that the government is committed to ensuring that along with Pune city, these villages will also receive modern facilities and infrastructure. The Maharashtra government has also launched a new initiative to promote cleanliness across the state. Following the central government model, Swachh Maharashtra Mission 2 is being implemented to raise awareness about sanitation. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde said that construction of individual and community toilet is progressing at full pace. The Deep Clean Drive carried out in Mumbai and also suburbs has given a fresh momentum to the campaign. Other initiatives under this mission include creating zero-waste cities and also beautifying public toilet premises. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde also added that from 17th of September to 2nd October, a special Swachhata Hi Seva fortnight will be observed across the state. A major development has taken place in Maharashtra's industry and investment sector. In the presence of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, a total of 17 MOUs were signed.
या 17 करारांच्या माध्यमातून जवळपास 34,000 कोटी रुपयाची गुंतवणूक ही महाराष्ट्रामध्ये येते आहे आणि जवळ 33,000 नवीन एम्प्लॉयमेंट ही महाराष्ट्रामध्ये जनरेट होते.
The agreements cover sectors like energy, electric vehicles and other industries. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also expressed confidence that these investments will boost trade and also industry in Pune, Vidarbha, Konkan and Marathwada. He added that these agreements strengthen both Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. With the government creating a conducive environment for investment, not only foreign investors but also domestic industrialists are increasingly turning their attention to Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र सरकारच्या ज्या काही अतिशय प्रोग्रेसिव्ह पॉलिसीज आहेत, आपण बघू शकतो की एकीकडे टेरिफ वॉर सुरू असताना देखील महाराष्ट्राला इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात गुंतवणूक मिळणं हा गुंतवणूकदारांचा महाराष्ट्रावर असलेला विश्वास आहे.
These were the top stories of the week in Maharashtra. We will week with more updates.